Just one word, the darkness has to retreat.